So we're making low-carb pancakes or bread that can be used for buns or pancakes. It's very quick and easy. Basically, half cream cheese or yogurt, actual yogurt, not plain yogurt, and about half eggs. And then mix in enough of the almond flour, extra fine almond flour, to make it the consistency you want. And we're gonna put it on the griddle just like pancakes. We're gonna use coconut oil on the griddle. Coconut oil is really good. You know, it's a good kind of fat apparently for the keto diet, so, or low carb. Anything coconut oil is supposed to be good for you. So we're gonna make sure there's plenty of it on here because this batter is gonna wanna stick, but this will keep it tasty and not stick as much. And I forgot to put in some salt. Okay, so I put in more eggs because I had my proportions off. Actually needs to be more egg than cream or yogurt or cream cheese, so it's a little thicker. It's more like pancake batter, and you can see over here there's getting some bubbles forming there. Okay, so I'm going to start to flip these. They're cooking much faster because they're thinner. That looks more like it. They are delicate. All right, it's time to stack these up. Got a good amount here. These look like flapjacks, but they work great for sandwiches. I'm gonna make some sandwiches. Or, of course, you can always do good old-fashioned pancakes. So you can make a great sandwich with these. If you wanted to do pancakes, you'd have to find some syrup that doesn't have any sweetener in it other than stevia, because stevia is, if you're trying to do a keto diet. But if you're just doing low carb and low sugar, you know, pick what you want to put on top. It makes a great bun for hamburgers and deli meats and anything else you're going to put on.